bitterness, bitterness. Bitterness, bitterness. I can't make you know. You can't turn your heart. So what do I know? Nothing. Happiness, happiness, it lasts a second. You can't live in it. Happiness, happiness, this is a little past. You can't turn me down this time. I can't live your life. You can't turn my heart. Oh, what do I know? Nothing. Hey, thank you.
Oh. Thank you.
Dead space.
So I don't know if anybody has been following this, but we had a Kickstarter.
Oh yeah, we made our Kickstarter goal. Hey, $2,500. Thanks to everyone in this room who gave us money. 1, 2, 3. Did you give us money? Who is that? You did? Really? Do I know you? Get the fuck out. I'm so happy about that. Thank you so much. Yeah. Okay. We were gonna play a song, but then we tuned instead. Here's the song. Fucking queen, should be dressed like a fucking harlot. There's the one trying to break my heart. There's the one trying to break my heart. There's the one trying to break my broken heart. There's the one trying to break my heart. Don't you know? In the eye
Hey, so Divers is on tour from Portland, so get a 7-inch or something back there. Help them get some gas money, and they're rad too. So, yeah, well, that's something to think about for you guys.
They have cool shirts.
Yeah, cool shirts. Yeah, let's do that. You know, as you say something sometimes, and everyone's like, yeah, we're not gonna do that. And you're like, well, okay, all right. That's gonna be over here then. We're playing World War. Anything but everything from that we're not playing.
While you were swimming in the ocean, I was shaking in a cage. Modern African art collections, but the past away. When you arrived, you and I, you were smelling of the sea. Far on the coast of the Atlantic, 1995, you kept us all alive. 1995 to 2024, you kept us all alive. Us all alive. 2025 to 2094, you kept us all alive. We felt alive before.
Hey, who am I? Who am I? Hey, who am I? Hey. Bobby got a new job. That's the much. No, I think, tracks 1 and 2 are really good. Tracks 5 and 6, I don't know.
And kill